In this video, we're going to use Desmos to sketch a quadratic when it's in completed square form and find the key points of that quadratic. So I'm going to do the example which is halfway down page 188 in TJN5. So get that textbook out so you can see what we're doing. So the first thing I need to do is to put in the equation. So over here on the left, I'm going to click just to the right of that little number 1 and it gives my cursor in there. So I'm going to type in y equals brackets x minus 2 close brackets. Now that needs to be squared. So one way of doing it is coming down to the keypad, pressing that and pressing the squared button. Another way of doing that is once you've put in the bracket, doing shift 6 and that moves the cursor up, 2 for squared, press right to bring it back down, and then we need plus 3. So that's our equation. Out here on the right, I've got my parabola there drawn, but at the moment I can't see what the y-intercept is. So there's a couple of ways to see that. We could just zoom out and we will get that there. But if we wanted it the same size as it was before, we can just hold down and drag the axes around. Okay, so now we've got the picture and the shape of our parabola that we like. If you click on the parabola somewhere, the grey dots of the important points will appear. Okay, so if I hover over the grey dots, it will give me the coordinates. So the coordinate of the y-intercept is 0, 7. If I want that to stay up, I just click on the grey dot and it becomes black. And my turning point, which is a minimum, is 2, 3. And again, if I touch on the grey dot, it will stay there and I can move my cursor away. So try that, make sure you can do that, and then you can use that for your rest of your work.